Now, the shaft here, we saw a plan. The shaft was previously known as Balmoral Gold Mine, and it was mined at one place. We could see it was mined in 1890. So it is a very, very old mine. When we arrived at the scene, we could clearly still see the remnants of the cement slab that actually covered the shaft. That unfortunately collapsed due to all the rain. When we arrived at the scene the first time, we have got specialized rescue equipment because we render a service to all the underground mines in South Africa. So we have actually designed our own rover ORPAS camera specifically to be lowered down incidents like this. Our rover camera has got an umbilical cord of 100 meters. We also equip the camera with a multi-stage electronic gas detector which can measure methane, carbon monoxide as well as oxygen. On the first attempt on Saturday afternoon, we were requested by the Department of Mineral Resources to come and assist. On arrival, the MRA staff members lowered the rover ORPAS camera on this side. This we call the footwall. And just to explain to you, this is the decline shaft. It goes down at approximately 55 degrees. It's approximately 3 meters wide and 2 meters high, dipping very steeply. We do not know how far it extends, how deep it goes, because we do not have plans for that. But what we do know is that the acid mine water is at a vertical drop of 116 meters below. And on that inclination of 55 degrees, we know that that shaft will be flooded at approximately 146 meters. When we arrived on Saturday, we lowered the ORPAS rover camera down, and then at a depth of 36 meters from surface, the alarm went off and it indicated an oxygen deficiency. There were only 11% oxygen. I want to make it very clear that no living person, object, nothing can live in 11% oxygen. You need 21% oxygen to breathe. So no person can go beyond that point. Therefore, we are sure that there's no illegal mining activities in this area. The gas, we know it is liberated from the water that is contained in the central basin. We lowered the rover. Over there it alarmed and it showed the oxygen deficiency, and we managed to lower it down to 100 meters because that is the length of our umbilical cord. We lowered it in the 3 meter, we lowered it in various positions, and we could not find any sign of the missing person. We then did the same exercise again on Sunday, tried to attempt to get further. We could not find the person. Then on Monday afternoon, we used a crane, and we decided to lower one of our staff members just to get a position where they can actually see further down. At a depth of 33 meters, we're still communicating with him, and in the next 3 meters, he lost consciousness because of that gas. It's heavy gas, and it's actually lying at that position. So no person can go below that. Then, okay, we pulled him out. Then yesterday, we bought a longer umbilical cord so that we can try and get down all the way to the water. We worked through the night, and this morning, when we arrived at the scene, we noticed severe fall of grounds taking place on the south side. We started massive fall of grounds, rocks falling out on this whole area. When we lowered our camera down, we got, again, the oxygen efficiency is still at the same place, and then there's a ledge 60 meters down. Now a ledge is when they developed, when they blasted this, they must have made a little bend, and there's a flat section over there. If I can just show you on the larger scale, that's a shaft coming down, that is the ledge, and there it continues further down. When we lowered the ORPAS camera, it got to a position over here, and it got stuck behind a lot of rocks. We have got it on footage. We can clearly see that these are rocks that recently came down due to the fall of ground. So due to the fall of grounds, a rock fell down onto that ledge, and that is now preventing our camera from going any further than that. So whilst we were there today, and the media that was there, you could have heard the continual fall of ground. Now, because of the extremely dangerous conditions at the surface, as well as the high concentrations of gases down, at this stage, it is not possible for us to continue any further without endangering the lives of any persons. I thank you.